Uh, Namaskar. Good afternoon, all of you. This is Dr. B.B. Gurung, Curator, Kalimpong Science Center. Good afternoon to our today's speaker, Sri Amiya Kumar Kalidaha, Department of Science and Technology, Biotechnology, Government West Bengal. Good afternoon, all viewers who are watching this event live in our Facebook site of Kalimpong Science Center. Once again, I welcome all of you in this virtual platform. Today's topic of the lecture is Student Success Through Innovative Thinking. Before his presentation, I would like to share his brief introduction here. Amiya Kumar Kalida obtained his MSc in Chemistry from the University of Burdwan, West Bengal, MTech in Robot Technology from IIT Kharagpur, West Bengal, and Diploma in Management from All India Management Association, New Delhi. Presently, he is working as a Senior Scientific Officer in Department of Science and Technology and Biotechnology, Government West Bengal, Kolkata since August 2006 to till date. He worked as a District Science Advisor, South 24 Parganas, DST, Government West Bengal since March 2021 to August 2006. He worked as a scientist in JK Tire Research and Development Division, Rajasthan from December 1990 to March 2001. He worked as a SRF in IIT Kharagpur from May to December 1992, and he is an internal auditor for ISO 9001 and quality manager for NABL 101 in JK Tire Research and Development Division. He is a gold medalist for First Class Plus in MSc in Chemistry from the University of Burdwan. He received Burdwan Sammalini Gold Medal for securing highest marks in MSc in Chemistry and topper rank, 13 rank in MTech Robot Technology at IIT Kharagpur. He visited as an Indian representative, exposure visit to different international laboratories in France and Germany as a delegate member of Indian scientists from 26th May to 1st June 2013. He has published research papers in several international journals. He has attended many numbers of international and national conferences, seminars, symposiums, workshops, short-term courses, training programs, etc., and design of logo for ROFTech 2000 in an international conference at New Delhi. He is a fellow member of Indian Chemical Society, life member of Indian Society of Analytical Scientists, associate member of the Institution of Engineers, India, associate member of the Institution of Chemists, India, former members, Bureau of Indian Standard, Government of India, Chartered Engineers, India, the Institution of Engineers, India. He worked as a resource person for faculties at different universities, NIT, engineering and science colleges. He worked as a mentor for DST Inspire Science Camp for top 1% school students, intellectual property right including patent, copyright, trademarks, GIS, etc. Welcome once again, sir. Now request Sri Amiya Kumar Kalida to start the program. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Gurung. Thank you very much for the nice introduction, and welcome all the participants who are present over here in this afternoon session. I know particularly the students are getting bored for attending so many online sessions from morning to evening, I think. Still, we don't have any options, students, actually. We have to cope up, and you have to also cope up. You are coping up, no problem. But we all have to fight for this situation. Surely we'll come up once and we'll meet personally, physically to all of you very soon. With these small things, I'll start my sessions over here. Okay. Look, I will not make you burden actually. So I will take a session which hopefully will enjoy it. Okay. So don't feel shy. we want to be an interactive mode. So whenever I will ask something, please give your answer in the chat box, not through mic. Okay, don't put on your mic, means it should be in mute condition only, and make your video off. I am also keeping my video off. So whenever I will ask anything, any short questions, please write in the chat box. Please put off video, each and everybody, including myself, and mute your microphone. Anything you want to say, please make it in your chat box. Okay, so I am sharing my screen. If Gurun, please let me know whether it is visible to all of you or not. Okay, I am presenting. Please give me a thumbs up or say whether it is visible to all of you or not.
Yes, sir, it is visible, sir.
It is visible. Okay. So it is visible. I am also audible. Both are okay at present. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Bashman. So students, participants rather, in which classes you are from? Just one or two answer. I just want to see from you. In which class do you study? 8. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Anyone? 9, 10, class 9. Okay, fine. Krishna 8. Okay, fine. Ashika 11. Good. 9. Okay. So I can guess you that from 8, 9, 10, 11 or even younger. 12 also is there. Okay, fine. Very good. Very good. Okay, Niraj. Okay, fine. So look, I am quite sure that can you recognize this figure, the left hand side figure, although it is a very known one. I am quite sure you might be knowing what is it. Do you know the character? My voice is cracking. Okay, let me come a little bit close. Yeah. Right answer, Avia. Very good, very nice answer. So we'll come a little bit late in this way. So let's start something different. If I ask you, what do you want to be? Means what is your dream? Something like this. Where do you want to reach? Or you can say, what is your goal? So can I see a little bit answer from you? At least 1, 2. IAS, very good, very good. IPS, IAS, okay. Businessman, very nice. Officer, okay. Which officer? Fashion designer. Sumit, IAS, very nice, very good, very good. Doctor, okay. Mathematician, very nice. Donkey, why donkey? Donkey dog means, are you making joke? Don't make joke, okay, over here. If anybody is making joke over here, Guru, please
Okay, sir.
get him out from this program. It is not for joke, okay? We are here to say something, okay? Don't make others disturb. If you are not interested, please go ahead. Sharjan, okay, fine. Tathagat, product design, very nice. Businessman. Anything? I want to be an IPS. So IAS, IPS, very nice. This is a very unique options I am getting over here. What is auto typing? Others are not coming from. Others are not doing the same thing. Fashion design. So video editor, good, very good option actually. Professional video editor. It's very nice. So I got little bit different answers which we usually do not get. That is very nice, very nice. Okay, so let's see what the answer you have given, whether it is covered in my slides or not. So you have given either engineer I got very less, but you got doctors is there, and nobody is telling about the about law. Want to be a teacher anyway. So these are the usually answers. What you have given, these are the answers, and these are different options. So there is lot of options in front of you, and you have set up your dream, or you can say it is your goal, where you want to reach. I'm quite sure all of you who have written over here the wish, I'm quite sure that it has come from within you. Okay. My voice is cracking. I do not know why. Is it cracking for everybody?
No, sir.
Is it cracking?
No, sir. It is clear, sir. It is clear for me, sir.
Okay, somebody is telling that my voice is cracking. That's right. Is okay? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Somebody is writing that my voice is cracking. So that's what I thought. Okay. Thank you very much. So, students, you are having different options. It is as per your choice. Okay. It is as per your choice. So, let's have, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, I am quite sure all of you might be knowing him. So, what Dr. APJ Kalam told about dream, and that is also, that quote is of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is very famous. And what is that? That is, dream is not what you see in sleep. It is the thing which doesn't let you sleep. Do you believe on this? Yes or no? Yes, he is a missile man of India. Ayushman is very nice. But do you believe what actually Kalam told? Means Kalam quoted to all of us that dream actually, when we are talking about dream, we usually thought it is coming in our sleep. But he told something different. He told that dream is something which will not even let you sleep. Okay, so all of you believe in this. Okay, do you think what was the dream of APJ sir? What was the dream of APJ sir? APJ Abdul Kalam. What was his dream? Yes, pilot. Any specific pilot, Rahul? He wanted to be a particular pilot. Okay, still pilot is very nice answer, but did he get the chance for pilot? Air Force, yes, correct, very correct. Air Force pilot, fighter flight pilot is very, very true. So, no sir, yes, very nice, Ayushman. Dr. Kalam failed to have that dream because that is not his fault actually. His position was in such a ninth position, and they took up to eight. Okay, so that's why he failed. But anyway, ultimately, do you think that he really failed? Means whether he achieved that or not. Means fail actually. On June 8, 2006, President APJ Abdul Kalam, being the president, the first head of the state to fly a fighter plane. So, he flew the Sukhoi 30 MKI at the age of 74. So, even at the age of 74, APJ Abdul Kalam reached his dream. Another nice example, and it is a very recent example. I am quite sure you may be knowing this also. Who is this lady? Do you know this lady? I have given a clue in the lower picture. Do you know this lady? She has become very famous recently, very recently, this month only. Can you recognize her? This lady? In blue tracksuit. No, okay. In blue tracksuit, I am giving one clue. Blue origin is written over there. Blue origin. Did you heard about the blue origin recently? Very recently? It is really a remarkable things. I'm quite sure all of you have at least heard it. Yes, astronaut, but why she is famous nowadays? Okay, no problem. I'm sure that after seeing the next image, you will surely recall. Oldest woman to go to space. Very nice, Emma. It's very nice, very nice. Emma is told rightly. Actually, her name is Wally Funk, and this woman who waited 60 years to reach, means basically the first line is a quote from Wally Funk. This has been a dream 6 decades in the making. So it took 6 decades, more than 60 years, to reach to the space. But Funk was basically an astronaut, and she has tried to join the NASA astronaut corps 4 times, but she failed. Actually. So she told that I have been waiting for a long time to finally get up there. And you know who actually carries her? Blue Origin's first rocket, New Shepard rocket actually, and that is owned by Jeff Bezos, famous for Amazon. I am quite sure you may be knowing about the Amazon nowadays. Huh? So, who is the owner of Amazon, Jeff Bezos? He, along with three others, means total 4. One is Oliver Damon. Have gone to the space. Very nice. Just recently, July 2021. Okay. Now another. Yes. Hello. Guru.
Yes, sir.
Guru, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
So please look the chat. Somebody, the name
Yes,
is
sir.
a great stickman. He is writing something very bad, abuse type of things. Please take him out from this
Yes, sir.
program.
Just now I have removed, sir. I have removed, sir.
Some fellows are making unnecessary bad comments. Please keep a track on these messages, and whoever is making some nuisance, please just get him or her out from this program.
Yes, sir. I have just removed, sir. Just okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So, when we are talking about this Blue Origin's spaceship, another one also just few days back of 20th July, that is on 11th of July, Richard Branson, he was a very rich person. So, all 6 members, including Richard Branson, they have visited the space. It's very nice. So, maybe all of them, means either Wally Frank or this Branson, all of them has a dream to be in the space from the childhood days, and ultimately they could reach over there. Okay, that is a great thing, really great thing. So if you have something, surely one day you will be there. So now these characters, one of you have given the answer that it is the Mickey Mouse. Now who is the creator of the Mickey Mouse? This gentleman, who is this gentleman? What's his name? I want some answers. Walt Disney, Tathagat, very nice. Walt Disney, anything else? Yes, it is Walt Disney. Okay, besides this Mickey Mouse character, do you think that any more characters of this Walt Disney created, and that those characters are very, very known to all of you, all of us rather? I want to have some other names, other characters. Yes, Donald Duck, Tathagat, you were right. Donald Duck is there. Anything? Mickey is there. Minnie Mouse, yes. Are there Minnie Mouse? Goofy, okay. Very nice. Yes, he has created lot of characters. He has created lot of creators, and all the characters are very unique. Very unique, but very known to us, very common to all of us. So some of the characters like this: Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, Pluto, Pete, Oswald, all sorts of things. You know, when this dream has been created by Walt Disney. So what is option about this? Yes, Cinderella. Many of them. You are right. So many of the things which when they are created by Walt Disney has a nice saying about the dream. So what is that saying? Walt Disney is saying, believe in your dreams no matter how impossible they seem. He's saying, yes, maybe it is difficult, but you can dream it. And believe in your dreams. Yes, dream means it is true, as APJ said, told already. Now, Walt Disney's another quote is very famous. If you can dream it, you can do it. Always remember, this whole thing was started with a dream and a mouse. He has started with a dream and a mouse, simple mouse, which we really, we many of you may not like a mouse. Innovation, that is the main thing about the Walt Disney. Yes, it is a cute mouse, very true. Now, when we are asking about all of you, so you have a particular dream like IAS, IPS, or officers, designer, many of you. But no one you told that I have a dream. It may be a very small dream, but I like something like this. I want to be flow in the ponds or in river like this way. I want to sleep. How do you like this dream? Yes, it may be a dream. Surely your parents will not allow you. That is a different issue. But this may be your dream. Dream is something which is unique to you only. Okay? So you may like it. You may like to visit such a nice place. Nobody told that, sir, I want to two different places in the unique places of our world or even in our India. Yes, that also you can go. You can visit such a place like Namibia where desert and sea meets each other. So that is a very nice thing. Okay? Yes, Changu Lake is very nice in Sikkim. Very true. I have visited there. You may be a photographer. Which type of photographers? I want to be a wild photographer where you can sit, you can sleep at least with the cheetahs or other things. Okay? That may be a dream, and that dreams many of us living, and they are really successful. And you know that this lady, I'm quite sure you will be knowing her, PV Sindhu. In last Olympics, in 2016 Rio Olympic, Sindhu actually won the silver medal. And today, for your information, she entered the pre-quarter final. Now knockout round is there. So just now the news has come that she has entered into the quarter final, and surely we all pray for her that this time not only silver, she may come out with a gold. But anyway, when Sidhu got this medal, silver medal, last Olympics, that is Rio Olympics in 2016, it is her quote that it was my dream to get a medal at the Olympics, and I made it at my first Olympics. So Rio 2016 was the first Olympic for Sindhu, and she got a silver medal. And if it is turns into gold, that will be good for her and to all of us. Very nice. Now I will show some examples. I am quite sure many of the figures you may be knowing. If you are knowing any of them, please answer. Do you know this person? And why I am showing these images? Because these are very common. We are using daily life. Either they are developed something. Okay, nobody knows him. Very nice. Anybody can have a wild guess? Okay, maybe not knowing this person also. Okay, no problem, Aishman, no problem. I am quite sure you may be knowing this one, this person. What's his name? You must know him. At least Yeah, Tathagat, you are right. Very nice. Yes, yes, Emma, Rahul, all of you are very much very right. Very right. So, who is this person? This one, this one. Okay, Sundar Pichai, yes, CEO of Google is there, fine. But this one, this bald hair, not Adobe CEO, Rahul. Please have a close look. Yes, Ritik, Satya Nadella. Very nice, Satya Nadella. Why Satya Nadella is famous? Where is he working now? Very good, very good, very good. These two persons, I'm quite sure both the persons in the car, who are they? These two persons, who are them? Identify them. Yes, another one. Page is okay. Another one. Ritik, another one. Ayushman, you are also right. Self-driving Google car. Yes, very nice. And so Page is there. Another is one. Larry Page and another one of Google. Okay. I am 100% sure most of you may be knowing this young person. Oh, very nice. So since you are using his developed product, so all of you are very much interested to Sumi, Samak, Ritik, Ayushman, yes, Hriday. So all of you know him very much now because you are using his product occasionally. Okay, very nice. Niraj, Anugrah Poddar. Everybody knows this fellow. Okay, very nice. Now this one, how many of know this one? This young person. Actually, I am showing because all of them are developed something when they are in their student age. Now they become a very big businessman. Yeah, Tathagat, you are very correct. Very good, very good. So you are very much fond. Okay, Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey, why he is famous? Not you, Tathagat, you should not answer. Others, because you have given a clue of Jack Dorsey, but now I am asking to others if very nice, Adya. Twitter, very good, very good. Okay, and he created Twitter. That is very nice answer. Now I am showing a student. He is still a student. Maybe you may not be knowing him. I'm sure may not be knowing him. I will introduce him to all of you, and his uniqueness I will introduce to all of you. Okay. So let's quickly go to our answers. So the first figure, his name is D. Udaya Kumar, and he made this rupee symbol. What we are using nowadays is the rupee symbol, you know. That has been created by this gentleman when he was a student of IIT Mumbai. And now he is a professor at IIT Guwahati. So during the student age, he made this rupee symbol and got an award from Government of India. And this person, second person was the Rana Bhumik. He made this. Some of you have written. I have seen that you want to designer cycle thing. So he actually, this Rana Bhumik designed this Digital India logo. That is also great work. And for this, he got 50,000 rupees from our Prime Minister. So this Digital India logo is created by Rana. Sundar Pichai, she of Google's core business. Most of you. Hello. Who is there? Shut your face. So it is Sundar Pichai. All of you have given the right answer. Satya Nadella also, CEO Microsoft, you also given the right answer. This is face and brain of Google founder.
Okay.
Guru, who is calling Guru? Please mute him or her. I don't understand why he is doing this.
Okay,
Make
sir.
the control of
Okay,
you
sir.
with you.
Okay, sir.
Mark Zuckerberg, all of you have, Jack Dorsey, also many of you have answered the Twitter. And this last one, his name is Hriday Singh Vati. Actually, this student got a patent for his innovation in 2012. You know, that particular student is having some neuro disease, and that's why he cannot go outside to play with his friends. That's why he developed initially a 6-player variant of chess. Usually chess is played by 2 players, but he developed a 6-player variant chess, and later on he has developed 12 and 60-player versions of his game. Look a student, when he is not able to go outside for playing with his friends, he feels very good. He feels very alone. So that's why he developed such a game so that his friends can come to meet and play with him. That is the greatness. You know, sometimes it happens when we do not have any options, we create our options actually. So that is the very nice story of Hriday Singh Bhatti. You know, all the figures I have shown, they are mostly either they are students or they have just passed their student's age. What is there in them which is in common? What is the common thing? All of them is there. Can anyone volunteer? What all of them having one common thing? No, they are famous. That is very nice. Yes. They have created something new. Yes, very true by Dhoni. Sumit also right, creativity, and they have created something new. That is the unique thing. Producer, okay, in long range it can be a producer, okay, but Bhumi's answer is very, very unique. They have something created new, or they can create it. Yes, innovative. That is also very good. Hema is also Navya. They created when they were young. Okay. You know, what was the age of this Walt Disney when he created this Mickey Mouse? At the age of more than 50 years, I think, 55 or something. So age may not be a bar. Anyway, here the answer is right, because when they have made all, they have created. So you can also create. Okay. Suresh. Let's see. What you have given answer and what is the answer? Yes, all of them are having one thing in common, and that is innovative thinking. It may be, we may call it as a creative thinking something new. We'll come about the definitions, because we are in a session with the students. So we'll come about the definitions also. But uniqueness is there. That is, their innovative thinking is there. Okay. Look at this one. This gentleman. He is basically he is selling some vegetables in the market. And on 26th of January or 15th of August, when everybody is we are flagging our national flag, that particular person has created national flag with the vegetables available with him. Look, the conception. Okay, it is a totally new conception. What he thought. Okay, now we are facing the COVID. Because of this COVID situation, we are facing a lot of problems. But you know, this COVID situation helps us, give us a lot of opportunity to think something differently, which earlier not there, but it is at present it is there. So, a lot of innovations has come out during this lockdown periods, and one of the example is we are interacting remotely from different places in the world, rather you can say. Okay? So lockdown innovations, we have developed a lot of PPE kits, hand sanitizers, different types of gloves, and different types of masks. So different types of masks are there. You know, when a mask has come out first time, people are not recognized who is there in front of us. Even our own person is not recognized to all of us. So one fellow, look what he did. He had just make a printout in a white colored this mask. He took a photographs and took a printout in the mask cover. So that's why, look, now this face is totally recognizable, okay? Because this is a printout. So wearing this type of mask is very unique. New type of thinking is very simple thinking because we know the technology that we can take a print out our photographs in the cards and so-called. So during our weddings, during our birthday, we used to see it. But using that simple technology, he made this face mask. So this is a really nice conception. And surely he got a good business over this. People are quite much, very much eager to have their own face, below side of their face to be printed in the mask. So that is very nice. So innovative thinking. And this, as I already told, this is a known image of lockdown and beyond. Now all of you, now the faces is just changing, but we all are using this thing. Earlier we didn't even thought of this. Maybe it was there, but it was not used. It was not a demand on that time. But now it is the need of the hour. We have to do it. We have to think something more. So innovation is there in education, innovation is there in meeting. We are also doing a lot of activities from our home for our offices. Okay, so this is there, and you know, different platform has already been come out. Initially, there was maybe very less Zoom or such type of things. Now, Zoom, Skype, then Google Meet, Teams, Webex, then Google Classrooms. Many means you may be knowing much more than me. A lot of platforms has come out. Lot of platforms have come out because of this requirement. This is a requirement. Now let's come about the definitions. Because you are all students, you must know about the definition. Definition is very important. So, what is the definition of innovation? This is the definition of innovation. So, innovation is for application, a better solution to meet the new requirements. It is as per the Wikipedia. Cambridge is saying use of new idea or method, that is also innovation. And Oxford is also saying that introduction of new things or ideas or ways of doing something new. Okay? So, all sorts of new sort of things is to be considered as a innovations. And while we are talking about the thinking, we know this is basically a mental process. So as per the Wikipedia, it is a mental process which encompasses a flow of ideas associated that can lead to a logical conclusion. Ultimately, you have to a logical conclusion because thinking is in the air, it is in your mind. Ultimately, you have to take it into the field. So, as per Cambridge, also same thing, using the mind. Oxford is also saying that using the mind, you should have some connected of your ideas. Suppose you are answering your answer script. While you are answering the answer script of your examination, during your examination, I am quite sure you are using your idea, you are using your thinking power to write a unique answer so that it may be right, it will be right, as well as it might have something different from your other fellow. They feel good when they will see your answer, and you may, for this, you may get a better marks also. So this is a thinking. So creative thinking or innovative thinking is always there with us. We are applying it, maybe knowingly, maybe unknowingly. So what will be the definition of innovative thinking? Now you have to apply the innovation and you have to apply the thinking. So it is something like production or adaptation or assimilation for a value-added new product or an idea. That may be even your answer script also. You can make a margin, different colors by separation of the two answers. Nicely use the different colors, all sorts of things that can be incorporated as per the rules of the classrooms and as well as the examination. That means you can even make your answer script unique from your other. Okay? Now you know how innovative thinking comes in our mind? So for this, I will show you this example. This is a very nice example, actually. Look, when we are studying, lot of studying, actually we are studying physics, chemistry, mathematics, or even if you are in 9 to 12, 10 standard up to, these studies means includes everything. But when you are studying 11, 12, now a special courses you may attach. When you will be going for even higher studies, you will be more specific. But all of these studies leads what? To solve some problem. So in front of us there is some problems. At present, being a student, you may have to solve a right answer. That is a problem to all of you. You have to present a presentation. That may be a problem to you. And for your mother, problem is something different. For your father, problem is something different. For your teacher, the problem is something different. Okay. But what we are using? We are using mainly our knowledge which we gather during our school days, college days, education. And not only this, we may get something which is called known as from outside. Suppose you may not have read something, but you have attended some courses, you have attended some other friends' house, and from there you have seen something, and you relate these happenings with your study, and inside your brain such a movement is going on. Why? To solve the problems. So this is the conception. But please remember, when this type of solution will come in your mind, it should be like a paint. Look, this is the brain, and your flashing is come out. This is a flash actually. So when this flash is coming, when you could find a unique answer for your questions, for your problem. So in this way, the innovative thinking comes in your mind. Maybe there are a lot of problems, but some of you are actually seeing the problem. Many of us may avoid it. We may not have thinking, that much creative thinking, that much innovative thinking to solve this problem. Is basically a state of mind. Look, this simple example. Raining nowadays, rain is there everywhere. Okay, so you can take your umbrella in this way. This is the normal way of taking the umbrella. Otherwise, you can just reverse this umbrella. Why reversing? Make this hollow tube. So water is collecting in your umbrella, and that water can be collected in your pot. Look, this is a simple conception, nothing else. So that's why it is known as the state of mind. How you are seeing the problem is basically how we are going to answer it, how we are going to solve it. This happens to each and everybody of us. Remember it, either a student or a faculty member or a teacher or a father, parents, each and everybody is having such type of things. So how we are collecting the information, how we are taking those information, using those information to a useful result is important. Yes, Suresh, you are right. Collected and refiltered and used, maybe it's very true. So this is the conception. So we have covered a part of our topics, that is the innovative thinking. Now another part, this is the second part actually. Now the first part is now how let's talk about the student success. So when we are talking about the student success, we always feel that taking a degree is all. Yes, degree is unique, degree is required, no problem. But do you think that success means a degree always? Means do all of them who are getting a degree in their hand can go, they can be, we can, means he or she can feel that she got success? No, that's very true. So again, comes to the definition of success. It's a very nice thing. So success refers to the attainment of higher social status. I'm quite sure you might be agreed. An achievement of a goal. As I already informed, the goal, your dream, whatever it may be. So if you can reach there, suppose you want to be an IAS officer, and once you become an IAS officer, so you can say, yes, I got my success. lateral part, you have achieved your goal. You have reached the desire. Okay. So when you get a social IAS officer, you get a social status, and other things will come automatically. Yes, Suresh, you are right. Talent should be there because degree is not just everything. Very true, very true. Degree maybe get good job, but without talent, how can a person work? Very nice, very nice. Correct. So to reach success, degree may not be the enough for all of us. So we have to learn something. This look, degree, knowledge, these are best materials. You know, these are the best materials. But to become a go somewhere, to reach our destination, we need something extra. So that is called sometimes success. In Wikipedia, they have also mentioned that success is opposite to failure. But you know, failure is an option. Failure may be there. Means failure should be there. Failure must be there. Otherwise, it is very difficult to success. Anyway, it is a definition mentioned by Wikipedia. Cambridge is saying the accomplishment of desired aims or purpose. Again, desired aims or purpose attains fame, wealth, social status. You may agree, you may not agree because these are the definitions, but most of us may agree with this thing. And as per Oxford, the achieving of the result wanted or hoped for positive results is known as the success. Now, you know, there is an iceberg illusion of success. This type of image, I am quite sure many of you have seen, that success is like an iceberg. You know iceberg? So success is like an iceberg. What we see is very less. What we could not see is all in the deep into the water, in the sea. So we see that Sachin Tendulkar got so much success. We seen that PV Sindhu got success. Okay, Virat Kohli got success. But we are not seeing what they have sacrificed for this. I'll give a nice example for this also. What those are? Persistence, failure, dedication, hard work, good habits, disappointment, sacrifice, all are there, you know. These all are there which we generally cannot see. But suppose, remember, one who is telling about IAS, IPS or whatever your dream you want to be, I am quite sure you are preparing all these things. So one day you will go there, you will reach there, and your other friends who are not seeing your all sorts of labor, hard work, they will just say, hey, he or she became an IAS officer, good officer, a doctor, an engineer. But the hard thing is that below the sea, below the water, that is not visible to most of us. But who are doing all these things surely will reach there. Now some famous quotes. Again, when the famous quotes comes, we usually talk about our APJ Abdul Kalam sir. When our signature changes to our autograph, this marks a success. Very nice quote. So when people now your signature is not that much importance to some other person. When Virat Kohli was a student, nobody asked his signature. But now his signature, it is not a signature. Now it is autographs. He also made a nice thing that man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. When now you are giving a level, you are giving a lot of difficulties, you know. But ultimately you will enjoy these difficulties, these hard situations once you reach there. Another nice quote is that a stone is broken by the last stroke of hammer, but this doesn't mean that the first stroke is useless. So success is the result of continuous and persistent effort. Remember it. You cannot go directly to a person. Okay. Success and excuses don't talk each other. If you give excuses, forget success. And to achieve success, forget excuses. If you feel that I have to attend a session and that may be scheduled at night 1 a.m. or 12 o'clock, if you feel that this session will be helpful for me, yes, you have to attend that session. No excuses. Suppose the session is arranged in such a way that is a time for your taking lunch or dinner. Do it early or after that, but you have to attend the sessions. Okay. So not only sessions, in each and everywhere of life. If you feel that I have to go there and that will give a good result for me, surely you have to go there. No excuses will be there. Sir, raining. It is raining, full of rain. How can I reach school? You have to come. There is no excuses. You have to come and to attend the classes because there is a practical sessions or some good sessions are there. Okay. So it is very true. So believing in yourself is the secret to success. If you believe I can do it, you can do it. This is Michael Jordan's very famous quote that I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost almost 300 games. 26 times I have been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I have failed over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. So if you feel without failure I will get a success, no friend, it is just not possible. Failure is a part of your life. Failure is a part of your success. So try. You try first. You will fail. Again try. You may again fail. You may again try. You may again fail. But ultimately, it will lead to a success. And that's why it is known as the failures are the pillars of success. And here is the contradictory of this word of Wikipedia. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is a part of success. Okay. So what is the example in front of us? This lady. I'm quite sure you may be knowing her. Her name is Mirabai Chanu. She's from Imphal, Manipur. Just came back from the Olympic, securing the silver medal in 49 kg Women Olympics. Okay. Remember last time in 2016 when PV Sindhu got the gold, silver medal, at that time this lady Chanu failed because yes, she failed to, yes Rahul, she failed to get a medal in the Rio Olympics. So from then she started lot of hard working, practice each and every day, sacrificing. Look, she is very young, like many of you only. So what sacrifice she has done, you know? The last, look, this one. When Chanu was asked what she would do first now that she has won the medal, she responded by saying that she would get to her cravings for pizza. Look, she likes pizza very much, but for the last 4 years she couldn't take a pizza because otherwise her weight will be more and she may not be able to qualify for this 49 kgs wrestling. So she sacrificed this thing. Pizza, each and everybody of us, particularly students, like very much. Same thing for Mirabai Chanu also. But very nice answer. You know the last one. Knowing this, Domino's offered her lifetime for free pizza. So now she will get free pizza lifetime from Domino's. It's a very unique thing. Okay? Although she will not take it, but Domino's, it is a tribute by Domino's that will give you pizza, whatever you like. So everybody is feeling very happy. Surely she came from a very remote village of in India, in particularly Manipur is very remote places. Particularly who are staying in the hill area, you may be knowing how hard they are facing for their day-to-day life. This is another example, Thomas Alva Edison. I am quite sure that you may be knowing that Edison is basically a strong inventor as well as innovator. He was a master basically, and he is a master in such a way that he learned basically from failed. Always failed and then tried and got something. He has got 1,093 patents. Patents means unique things. Nobody has made it before. And when he died in 1931, he left behind 3,500 notebooks containing details of his ideas and thoughts. Look how person like Thomas Alva Edison, and he was not our age. 1931 he died actually. So before that, so had it been Alva Edison is our age, we do not know. Maybe more, maybe less. So this is the famous quote of Thomas Alva Edison. I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Look, the conception. So we got the answers of our topics: student success, thinking innovation. Now, how the student will proceed? I'm quite sure, or by now we have already gathered the information. Still, one or two slides I want to show you. So, how the student will proceed for this to have a success? Simple 1, 2, 3 writing. I'm quite sure many of you are doing the same, following the same things. A dream or a goal, whatever it may be, it should be written down with a date. I want to be there at that date or time or year, something like this. It is a goal. So please make a seat in front of the place where which you come across each and every time when you are moving in your house, in such a place, so that you can every time, suppose you want to be a doctor, write doctor in a A4 size paper and paste it in front of your room, different places of your room, so that occasionally you hit on that goal. So that is your first one. Second one, when the goal is fixed, now it is your work, goal to be broken down into steps, and that is known as plan. So if I want to be a officer, IAS or IPS officer, or want to be a doctor, engineer, whatever it may be, to reach there, what we have to do, because you may be in class 9 standard, 11 standard.
Sorry, your audio is
Sorry,
muted.
I was muted. So, from where, which slides you didn't hear me?
Earlier ones.
This one, goal action plan. It was okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, from your side.
From this position only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So as I told, you should written down these 3 steps. Number 1, goal or dream, whatever it may be, and it should be, you should write in a A4 size paper, different A4 size of paper, multiple number of A4 size papers, and write down your goal and paste it in different places of your house, so that you occasionally face what is your goal. When your goal is fixed, then you have to make goal to break it some other actions, that is known as plan. A goal broken down into steps becomes a plan. So now you are having steps. Okay. When the steps are there, now make a plan so that each of these steps can be fulfilled by you, and that is known as action. So to reach a particular thing, you have to have a plan, and that plan should have a action also. Otherwise, it is not possible to reach there. A famous quote from Madame Curie, Marie Curie, in this regard, to be clear enough, nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Just understood, friend, nothing to be feared. Why you are going to fear? There is nothing in life to fear. Just it should understand. But remember one thing. If you don't clear your misunderstanding in time,
Sir, again your audio is muted, sir.
I do not know why it is becoming okay, I'm trying to keep it. So, Madame Curie told that nothing in life has to be feared, and It should be understand only. And another quote is, if you don't clear your misunderstanding in time, they become the reason for distance forever. Suppose without understanding a formula like a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, many more. Means this is an example. Or you could not understand what is the different forms of matter or whatever may be. Biology, English, everywhere, in each and every subject. If it is something that you could not understand it, please clear it fast. Otherwise, it will create a distance, because you are going upstairs, you are going for higher classes. So clear it in when you are in that class only, in that session only. Okay, this is very much required. Otherwise, it is very difficult to go further, and that's why it may be one of the reasons that many of us got drop out after a certain time. So it should not be. Remember it. So students should not waste time. They should read, write, attend classes, daily practice. They should have imagination power. They should have creative ideas. They should solve the different type of problem in your life. Life means even in your classrooms, everywhere. Uniquely different from others. Don't criticize others. Okay? Learn everything. You can learn. Means
Sir, again, it is muted, sir, your audio, sir.
I know I am not making anything. It is automatically muting. I am quite surprised. Anyway, sorry for this disturbance. I do not know actually why it is happening. But anyway, computer may be also not liking my topics because it is 1 hour more. Okay. Anyway, so you can learn from a kid also. You can learn from a kid also. Suppose you are studying in class 11 or 12. You can learn from a 5-6 standard student. Similarly, a 5-6 standard student can learn from a class 1 standard student or a person who may not be having any qualifications. So learning is basically endless. Don't criticize anybody. Take absolutely okay with everybody. Learn something. Don't feel proud. Don't feel that I know everything. Never do it in your lifetime. Okay. Then only success will automatically come to you. You don't have to go there. It will come to you. Okay. So never ever give up. हाल नहीं छोड़ना, something like this. I am not that much strong in Hindi, but never ever give up. Look, these examples. This is very nice example. Na? This is the diamonds are here, and this fellow just making another stroke may reach to these diamonds, but he just gave up. He's coming to back home, but the upper one, that fellow is still trying, and maybe he reached to the diamonds. Okay? So never give up on your dreams, and never give up without a fight. Fight always. Whatever may be the situation, you have to give fight to reach there. And I'll show you one example of today's newspaper. It has come out. I am sure many of you who have read a Bengali paper, I do not know where.
So you are muted.
Yeah, I made it. I do not know why it is automatically is muting. I do not know. So I am giving another example. It has come out just today. Before presentation, I got this news, and I thought that I should share with you. Many of you may have seen this news. His name is Shishendu Shil. He is from Jalpaiguri, and he faced tremendous medical problem during his from last means 2 years. Once he was in ventilation for continuous 23 days. She secured 99% marks in the ISC exam. Don't feel in today's 99% marks, but basically he has secured different Olympiad golds in different competitions. During this situation also, for the last 2 years, he was in the almost in different hospitals making treatment, and still he is studying. Congratulations to Sheshendu. I do not know him, but I got this news and I thought that I must share with you. Many of you, maybe his friend, he's from Jalpaiguri. So hats off to Sheshendu, and here he not give up. He just fight. He made fight and he's still fighting. And what is his dream? He wants to be a doctor in future. Our blessing should be there with Sheshendu that he must become a doctor in future. So that's all for my side. Thank you very much. I hope that you all, whoever present over here, must be flying with the rainbow and butterfly for your innovative thinking that ultimately lead to a successful life in future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful presentation and very, motivational speech, sir. Now I request participant to ask any question if you have. If you have any question, please you may ask questions to our sir.
Yes, please. I don't have any problem. If there is any questions that can be written in the chat box, and Dr.
Again, sir, your audio is muted, sir.
No, I do not know. It is automatically it is doing. I do not know.
Sometimes it is happening.
I am not making anything.
There could be some software problem, sir. Last time same thing happened in my computer also. Any question from anyone?
I need some typical questions from students so that I cannot answer that thing. That type of question I want to listen. But obviously this should be in the subject matter, not something very bad. Someone is muting, Hriday, I do not know. Actually, you may be expert in all sorts of things. That if somebody is muting me, I do not know whether it is possible or not. I am not that much really speaking that much tech savvy. Yes, Urvi, it is possible. Yes, it is possible. You can change. Yes, you can change it. So Urvi has a questions that sometimes we are not able to cope up with our dreams and we think we should change our dreams. Yes, it occasionally happens. Urvi, it occasionally happens. For this, no problem. If you feel that I am not going there, I am not able to reach there, but and even with the times also, sometimes it may change. But what I mean to say that if you have a concrete desire to be there, please try to focus on this. But suppose even after lot of trial, if you fail to reach there, you can change it, no problem. Sudipto is raising hand. So Sudipto, can you write the questions?
No, sir. No.
Rahul is saying, how do we prepare nicely for competitive exams by our known in the pandemic and get admission in good colleges? Rahul, it is means you have to prepare. Means prepare nicely means you have to prepare. You have to follow the different competitive exams. What type of questions they are usually coming, and there are a lot of study materials is available now, even free of free in different websites. Please go through all sorts of things. Now you may be knowing that National Digital Laboratory Library is there. It is a free to open access. Different materials are there. So if you feel, you can look into the National Digital Library also. That is free to available, and here you will find lot of different books and study materials, videos, a lot of things that may help you as per your requirement. Yes, Rahul Prasad, this is like, it is developed by the Kharagpur only. National Digital Library is developed by IIT Kharagpur only. Anyone else? Shudipta, do you want to say something?
So again, we are muted.
Okay. Please. Shudipta.
Sir?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, I am hearing you. Please. Hello.
Repeat, sir, please repeat.
Shudipta.
Sir, please repeat.
Sorry, I am not able to hear you.
Hello?
Yes. Can you write down the questions in the chat box or anything? So, Dr. Guru, I think the students may not have any questions.
Yes, sir.
So in that case, you can go for validation and close the function.
Okay.
So how students are you enjoyed the sessions? At least give a thumbs up or
Yes,
yes or
please,
no,
please.
whatever you want, you can write it. I feel good now.
Very good, sir. Very, very wonderful,
Thank you,
sir.
Bhumi,
Very,
Urbi, Hriday. Okay. Anurag, Shamak, Shumit. Thank you very much. Very good. Do you want such type of lesson? Do you want such type of sessions? Because I have just come to the initial stage. I didn't tell you how you will go to the innovation there. Means innovation thinking. Because now actually this imagination, creativity, idea we talk about you, but I didn't explain all sorts of things. So that is a different. How really you want to reach a innovative thinking. Before that, lot of steps are there. Okay. Every month new topics. Krishna, thank you very much, Sumit.
and thank you so much, Amir sir, for your wonderful presentation. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Guru, and thank you all of you, all the participants who have presented today's program. Wish we could meet all of you personally when the situation gets normal. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.